Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I want to talk about a new node released, which is curve to points, which is very useful to align your objects to the rotation of the curve. It just needs a small adjustment, which I would like to show you today. So first let's create a curve. I'm just using the circle for now, so we can see the rotation quite easily, but of course use it to your use case. I want to create a plane, which we will call GeoNodes, and click. Let's head over to our Geometry Nodes panel and create new here, and lock it, and remove this because we're not gonna need the plane. Alright, next up we make a cube, and we make it quite small. Something like this. And we're gonna extrude in the directions of these axes. So first up this one. Next up this one. And lastly this one. Make sure to enable X-ray. Go to the materials, create a new material. And color pick this. So what we're gonna do is recreate one of these pivots so that we can see what we're doing. Oh, forgot to create a new material. Also make sure to remove the specular. Alright, I'll quickly do this for the other sides as well. Alright. Now we can see the direction of our object once we instance it. So let's create an object info and merge our cube. Oh, sorry, actually, let's merge our circle. Then create a curve to points. This is a new node which I want to talk about today. And create a point instance. And assign our cube, which we can call normal for now. Alright, as you can see, they all point into the right direction, as you would expect. But this is where the problems arise. Once you start to move it on other axes, like this one, it starts to behave really strange. So we're going to solve that today. You don't have to do this in case you just want to solve your issue on your object, but I'm just making a copy so we can compare them later on. make a attribute convert and fill in tangent and normal. So what we're going to do is convert our tangent into normals, which you can see over here. So this curve to points node creates a whole bunch of attributes, including tangents and normals. So if you click on here, you're going to see it's going to copy this value over to this one. And next up, create an align rotation to vector. And set the vector to attribute and call this normal. Alright, and that's it. Now our effect works as we expect. Set this to Y. Now you can rotate it. And it will still follow our shape. We can do a quick comparison. Let's set this. Alright, hope you liked it and thanks for watching.